I'm Santina with WTI. Is your man looking for a great pair of shoes? I have an awesome option for you. These are my husband's Sperry's Gold Cup, and he absolutely loves them. I mean, for me personally, the most important thing of any pair of shoes is how comfortable they are, and my husband describes these as next level comfort, so I think he's very happy with them. We also really like how versatile they are. They can be dressed up with a nice pair of slacks if you want to go out for the night, or even dressed down with your jeans. My husband literally wears these shoes every day, so they can really go in any situation and they work great. There's also a few features that are just really nice. They have a nice feel to them, they're a great color, they go with everything, and they have these nice leather shoelaces, so it's just kind of a nice little extra feature to class up the shoes. He loves these. He thinks they're an excellent pair of shoes. They're his favorite pair of shoes, and I think they're a great product as well. And that's my point of view.